Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Box API integration for document uploads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Box API integration for document uploads, begin by creating a Box account if you don't already have one. Next, log into your Box account. Once logged in, navigate to the developer console by visiting the Box developer portal. Click on Create New App to initiate the application setup process. Select the Server Authentication, Client Credentials Grant option for your application type. Provide a name for your application to identify it later. After naming your app, click Create App. You will be taken to your app's configuration page. Here, you will find your client ID and client secret. Copy these credentials and store them in a secure location. Next, set up the required scopes for your application. Scroll down to the App Settings section. Enable the Read and Write All Files permission to allow document uploads. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. Now, configure your application to use the Box API. You can use Postman or your preferred programming language. If using Postman, set up a new request and select Post as the method. The request URL will be in the format https://api.box.com/2.0/files/content. In the authorization section, include your bearer token for authentication. To obtain the bearer token, you must authenticate your application using the client ID and client secret. Once authenticated, you will receive an access token. In your request, include the file stream and the body under form data. Set the key for the file parameter to file and select the document. You may also include additional metadata as needed in your request. After filling in the required information, click Send to upload your document to Box. If the upload is successful, you'll receive a response containing the details of the uploaded file. Review the response to confirm the upload and access the file using the provided file ID. You have now successfully set up Box API integration for document uploads. Take a moment to conduct some test uploads to ensure everything is working as expected. Make adjustments as needed based on your application requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.